going out for a little morning walk. Good morning.
Hello.
Breakfast bagels. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you for breakfast.
You're welcome.
It's so freaking good. Should I bring the van out here? So we are out exploring today, and we're just rumbling down some dirt roads. They're actually pretty sandy, so Nate just ran ahead to make sure it wasn't too deep. Looks Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, we're gonna keep going. Okay, so we are out exploring, and I am stoked to be shooting on the Lumix G100. Honestly, I have been trying to work out what kind of video camera setup I should be using for everyday vlogging. I'm new to YouTube and I'm a photographer, so it's kind of a whole new thing for me to figure out. Lately, I've just been shooting with my iPhone, and yeah, like that gets the job done. But if I want to shoot for Instagram stories or set up a time lapse or just be on my phone, it means that I can't vlog very easily. The G100 is designed as a vlogging camera, so it's perfect for what I do. And yeah, there's a couple reasons why I love it. This camera is lightweight and compact, and I live in a van, so that's a big deal. I'm always trying to minimize my gear and also maximize my storage space. It also has face tracking, which is great if you're moving around a lot. There's also wind reduction, which is a setting that's super helpful if you're, say, outside or on a mountaintop. You can turn that on, and it has this flip out screen. The handle turns into a tripod, which is super convenient. So if I want, I can just set it up like that. The lenses are interchangeable. There is a hot shoe for a microphone attachment. I am currently recording without any stabilization, and I am just walking along at a medium pace. Here I am walking again, surprise, but this is with standard stabilization turned on. Here is high stabilization. So as you can see, it crops in a little bit, but it's definitely nice and smooth. So you have a couple different options depending on what you're trying to film. I don't have a ton of experience with audio, especially like I'm still learning how to capture it and how to edit it, but this camera takes a lot of the guesswork out of the process. It has advanced OZO tracking, so it will follow me along with the face detection and follow the sound of my voice. Those are just a few of the things that I love about the camera so far. And yeah, like I said, I'm working with Panasonic on this project. I'm super stoked about it. And as a thanks, there might be something in it for you guys. Just stick around to the end of the video to find out more. We are heading back to the truck, and it's getting kind of cold out. And yeah, we have like another hour before sunset. We're gonna head back and make some dinner. Right, Nathaniel? Yes. Yes. We just put out the campfire and now we're inside the van. It got kind of cold outside, so we were firing up the stove and Nathaniel's cooking dinner, and according to him, we're having fungus tacos.
That's right, fungus tacos.
Yeah, it sounds delicious. It's like a protein, what is a protein something?
Mycoprotein.
Microprotein made of fungi. So, but we're having tacos, which is one of my favorites. Oh, that's good.
Just creating a little bed of kale here. BAM! Okay, now we're gonna put the meat on here. 50 shades of green.